What's up guys, I'm Paul and welcome to my channel. No intro in this video, just going to get straight on with the content. Do focus on user experience on your website. Make sure that your site is fast, it's easy to use, it's easy to navigate, and streamline your checkout process. Make it as quick and easy as possible for your customer to land on your website to get to that order completion page. So focus on user experience. Don't focus too heavily on the aesthetics of your website. Yes, you want your website to look nice and be visually pleasing, but don't focus too much on the minor details. Instead, focus on function over form. Look at the biggest e-commerce website in the world, Amazon, and this is a case in point. The website isn't the most attractive, but it works well and it's easy for people to check out. So focus on function over form. Do offer multiple payment options for your customers because not everybody likes using PayPal and not everybody likes paying with their credit card. So make sure you have lots of options available so customers can pick and choose what method they want to pay with. It's going to increase your conversions. Don't hide your shipping prices. If you charge for shipping, don't hide it on your website. Don't leave your customers with a nasty surprise when they get to your checkout. Instead, make it clearly accessible any shipping charges you charge on your website. Make a shipping page, or better yet, include all your shipping charges on your product page so there's no nasty surprises when your customer gets to the checkout and gives them a reason to click off your website. Do make it really easy for your customers to contact you, whether this is pre-sales or post-sales. Have lots of contact options on your website. Have a contact form, have an email address, have a phone number, have live chat if possible. Make it really easy for your customers to get in contact with you. So if they have any inquiries or they have any problems with their orders, they can quickly contact you and you can quickly and easily respond to them. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're finding this video helpful, because it does help the channel out massively with the YouTube algorithm. But let's get back to the list. Don't make price your primary focus when it comes to the unique selling point of your website. There's so many websites out there that do this, and all they're doing is getting involved in a race to the bottom because, as I say, there's already existing websites out there that use price as a USP, and there's new websites entering the market all the time that use price as a unique selling point. Don't get involved in this race to the bottom because you're just going to end up with your profit margins getting destroyed. Do focus on customer service and offering the best customer service you can possibly do. This is a hugely important component of whether or not your e-commerce business is going to be successful or not, because if you offer bad customer service, you're going to end up with negative online reviews and it's going to really affect your business's reputation. And once you get a bad reputation, it's very difficult to recover from this. So make sure you offer good customer service in both pre-sales and post-sales. If people have any issues with their orders, resolve them as quickly and easily as you can, because it's going to help your business in the long run. Don't guess when it comes to making product and marketing decisions. Just because you think it might work is no guarantee that it will. Instead, you want to use research and you want to use data to make educated decisions on your product range and also the marketing strategy you're going to take for your business. This is going to increase the chances of the success on your products and also your marketing campaigns as well. So don't guess, use data and research to make educated decisions. Do learn how to do social media marketing, because this is going to be one of the quickest ways to start generating sales for your e-commerce business. But when you're learning how to do social media marketing, take specific training opportunities. So learn how to run Facebook ads, learn how to operate Instagram most effectively, learn how to get the most out of Pinterest. Do specific training for specific platforms. Don't do like a general social media thing because you'll only learn little bits of each platform. Instead, do tailored training for each platform so you get the most out of your training and you learn everything you need to do in order to start generating sales for your business. Don't ignore other marketing methods. Things like SEO or even YouTube could potentially generate you traffic for your site, and traffic generally leads to sales. Also consider offline marketing methods as well, something that a lot of e-commerce businesses overlook these days, but can potentially generate you traffic and also sales. So don't discard any marketing method until you've done some testing on it to see whether or not it works. Everything could be a potential winner for your business. And finally, do leave a comment below with any other do's and don'ts you have relating to the world of e-commerce, because I'm always interested to hear about other people's hints, tips and tricks, because it's always helpful to learn from other people's experiences. So that's going to bring me to the end of this video. As I said, if you found this video helpful, please drop a like on the video. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, you can do by buying me a coffee using the link in the description below, and that is very much appreciated. So once again guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay awesome. I'll see you in the next one.